Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by connecting power and establishing a stable signal. Plug the Android box into its wall adapter. This guarantees full voltage, so the box boots reliably. Next, insert an HDMI cable into the box and into the LED TV's matching HDMI input. Once done, turn on the TV and use the TV remote to select that HDMI input. This lets you see the box boot sequence. Finally, keep the box remote handy for first-time navigation and initial. Now you connect the box to the internet and configure accounts so apps work. If possible, use Ethernet for steady streaming, otherwise pick your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store and synchronize settings. Then go to Display Settings. Set resolution to match your LED TV, typically 1080p or 4K, and tweak screen scale so menus aren't cut off. These steps prevent playback issues and make app installation seamless. Finish by installing desired streaming apps and testing playback so you confirm picture, sound, and remote control behavior. Once a test stream runs, enable automatic system and app updates and adjust power settings to prevent accidental sleep during viewing. Make one more pass through audio output options, HDMI ARC versus TV speakers, so you get correct sound. If something goes wrong, first check the HDMI cable seating and replace if necessary. Then verify power and network connectivity before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.